How are you? I'm excited. Once more, I'm here with you. I'm here to take you through learning, and I'm here to take you through singing, having fun, and enjoying ourselves. Are we ready? Are we ready for class? Are we ready to sit down, to listen, to sing, to play, and to have fun? I am ready, all right? But right before we go into class, to look at sounds and pictures and everything, let us think about the things we love to eat. What do we love to eat? What do we love to drink? What do we love to, enjoy? All right? If you love what I say, you smile or you frown. If you don't want it, you frown. Okay? If you do not like it, you frown. If you like it, you smile. Okay? Eating apples. Sleeping during the day. Bathing. Some of you don't like to bathe, but some of you bathing. Okay? Pineapples. Oranges. Seeds of an orange, because they are not sweet. Food. Some of you food. And some of you, because some of you like to eat and some of you don't like to eat. Okay? But for me, food, I love to eat. Do you love to eat? I love to eat my food. And some of you, vegetables. You don't like to eat vegetables. I love to eat my vegetables, so I smile. All right? So if you like it, smile. If you don't like it, frown. Okay? Pulling your ears. It's not nice. Some of you do not like it, all right? But eating ice cream, I like to eat ice cream. Oh, friends, beautiful. I love to eat ice cream. Do you love to eat ice cream? I know you love to eat ice cream, all right? Okay, friends, I want us to go through the days of the week. How many days make a week? 2? No. 3? No. Yes! 7. 7 days make a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday. Okay? 7 days make a week. 7 days make a week, all right? And friends, during the week, Monday through Friday, we go to school. Saturday and Sunday, we stay at home. Do you stay at home sleeping? No, you stay at home playing and working, all right? It's only good people or good children that help at home, okay? So you should help at home, all right? Friends, without wasting any time, let us run back and look at our previous sounds. Our previous sounds, all right? We are growing into reading. We are growing into reading. We know so many sounds, all right? We know the sound S. We know the sound T, T, T. We know the sound P, P, P. We know the sound E. We know the sound N. We know the sound Ah, ah, ah. We know the sound K. We know the sound K. Sound K. Sound K. The one we studied the other time. Remember? Remember, friends? Samantha and her friend who had come for a sleepover, Calvin? Yes. As they had finished having cake, remember they wanted to eat cake, they went to the cafe, picked up the cake, and came home and ate a whole big cake to themselves, all right? As they had finished having cake, whoa, they were so full. They wanted to do something. They wanted to run around. They wanted to run outside. And here they were, remembered their kites. Woo! They went out and got their kites and ran around with their kites. Okay? They ran around with their kites. And as they ran around, Calvin remembered. Yes, he remembered that song the ladies were singing at the cafe. Okay? We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. All right? And he thought he could add something extra as they flew their kites. All right? He thought and thought as they kept singing, we are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. All right? They kept singing. They kept enjoying themselves. Calvin was excited. He kept going. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. It was exciting. Samantha and Calvin were excited. They kept flying their kites. It was fun. Whoa, I know some of you guys know how to fly kites. Do you have a kite at home? I don't have one, but I wish I had one. I would enjoy myself flying kites, okay? As they carried on, they knew the sound k was for cat, k for cake, k for castanets, k for Calvin, k for calm, and also k for kite. K for kite. Let's move this sound a bit and create some space. K for kite. Okay? K for kite. See? K for kite. Yes, a kite starts with the sound k, k, kite. Okay? What is this? What is that? Bubble, bubble, bubble. You are very hot. This is a kettle. What does a kettle do? We boil some tea in the kettle, and water in the kettle, and milk in the kettle, and it bubbles when it is ready. Bubble, 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 bubble. That's a kettle. Okay? So, k for kettle, k for kangaroo, k for kangaroo. A baby kangaroo stays in a pouch. It stays in the pouch. When we go to some zoos, not here in Uganda, but in another country like Australia, you find kangaroos. Kangaroos start with the sound k. Kangaroo starts with the sound k. Kangaroo, k. Kite, k. Kettle, k. Kite, k. kangaroo, kettle. Woo, friends. And what is this? It sounds like a bell. These are keys. Yes, keys. Keys also start with the sound. Okay? For kite, for kettle, for kangaroo, for keys. All right? Friends, can we try to write the sound? Can we try? Can we try? Yes? From the dot. Let us get the dots. Friends, ask uncle or auntie or mommy and daddy or your guardian, anyone, to help you form the sound. Okay? To write the dots, then you can write through. Okay? Let them write the dots. Then you write through the dots. Okay? You write through the dots. Write through the dots. Okay? Write through the dots. Join the dots. Okay? Let's try to join these dots. Joining the dots, a standing line. Joining the dots, a slanting line. As you join the dots and another slanting line. All right? That is the sound. That is the sound. Okay? For those of us who are able to write very clearly, right? Let us write a standing line, a slanting line, and a slanting line. A standing line, a slanting line, and another slanting line. Write many more sounds on the lines. Sound. All right? After you've done that, feel free to send it to our social media platforms. We are excited to look at your work, and I'll check it and give you a sticker. For those of us who are older, please prepare for your next session. I am excited you're in class. Go do that work, and I will see you another time. Bye-bye.